Welcome you all to our orientation session. Very happy to welcome you all. And it is our first ever session conducted by Developer Student Clubs Enforcement Engineering College. In this session, we are going to talk about our plans for this year, 2020 to 2021. Okay, let's start. Before that, we can have an activity. Search slido.com in Google and enter the first website, slido.com. Follow the instructions and you will see a page to enter a code. Enter the code as info29, info29. Go to slido.com and enter the code as info29 and enter which year you are doing at present.
Vaishnavi, 1 second.
1
second. Guys, kindly mute your mic. Continue.
Go to slido.com and enter the code info29, info29 and select which year you are doing at present. I hope you are all doing. Only one person. Kindly do this activity. Let's see how many of them are from other years. Yeah, both third year student got majority. Fourth year, second year being less. Okay, nice to see many of them are from third year, and it would be good if many students participated from second year also. In this program, you are going to learn a lot of things. Okay, it will be beneficial for you. So only we are conducting these kind of sessions for you. Kindly participate second year. Okay, thanks for this activity. Next, we shall move to our presentation. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Vaishnavi from third year CSEB. I'm a DSC lead, have been selected for our campus, and I'm very happy to introduce about myself. And I have been appointed by Google developers. Okay, I will inform you how I got appointed by Google developers. Okay, before that, I am going to introduce myself. And I am a data science enthusiast, and I like and I want to become a front-end developer. And I'm learning some of the courses in HTML and CSS, and I would be handling these kind of sessions for you too. And I have done paper presentation, and I have participated in Hexagon 2020, and these things are about myself. Okay, I'm going to explain how I got selected by Google developers as a DSC lead. Okay, in every year, April month, the Google developers will release an application form to for interested students who want to become a Google developer students club lead. Okay, For that, it is a huge form, and we have to fill a lot of details, like personal details and like our technical knowledge, what we have gained, and what are the things we have done before that, and our project details, and our social link account details. Okay, these kind of things we have to fill. Apart from that, I have to make a 1 minute video. Okay, that in that 1 minute video, I have to answer for the three questions which they have answered regarding how would you set up a community, and for what you are doing this. That kind of questions they asked, and I have to answer for that. And I have submitted it, and I have been waiting for the result. After that, I got that have been selected, and I have to move towards the next round, which is a online interview round through Google Meet, and it take a 30 minutes interview session, and it was an awesome session. I shared about my project details and what kind of things I know that all. Okay, it has been done, but for the result, I have to be wait a long time, and after that, I got that very happy news that I have been selected as a DSC lead for our campus. Then I informed our faculty advisor, Priyanka ma'am, who is also a faculty advisor for student Google Developer Student Club, and I made some arrangements to form a community, and she allowed me to form a community for our campus. After that, I have to select 5 members as a core team members, and I circulated a Google form to make to select 5 members, and I have been selected that. And the ultimate aim of this Google Developer Student Club program is to build projects and solutions. Okay, what kind of solutions we are going to bring? We are going to solve the problems around our community, and it would be a local business issues and real lifetime problems. Okay, any kind of issues you are going to build up a projects and bring solutions for that kind of problems. Okay, even I have taken a pledge on my onboard meeting call that I would be I can, okay, I can able to complete at least 3 projects within this program. Okay, within this 1 year program, I can, and with the help of our community, I can able to build at least 3 projects. Okay, this is our ultimate aim of this developer student program. I hope you can get some idea. And one more thing, who can apply for this developer student lead program is first year student who is pursuing first year or second year students can apply for it. Okay, that means who have more than 2 years apart from their current year, they can apply for developer student club. Okay, I hope next year anyone can apply and become a DSC lead. Okay, happy for that. That's all about myself and developer student club program. Okay, next. Who will be teaching and managing everything? Me alone? The answer is no. How can I alone can do all these things? Okay, I'm going to remember a quote that alone we can do a little, but together we can do a lot. Okay, for that I'm going to introduce my talented core team members team. Happy to introduce you all. First of all, I call upon Vahini sister, who is event management lead for our community. Go ahead, Vahini sister.
So hi guys, so this is Vahini. I'm from final year, might be the senior to all of this. So I'm so happy to work with all of my juniors. Actually, they are just amazingly being like this. So about me, it's like very simple. I'm just currently pursuing my BCSC degree. In final year, I'm a final year student. So I'm working on web development. So both front end and back end is maintaining. I'm just exploring on the sides of Node.js and React.js and all. So I think I'm just working on my placements. I'm very eager, so I'm little busy, so not organizing any of this. So you might have seen me if you have uh, either participated in any of the GSC events. I'm a GSC member since from my first year. So other than that, I'm an artist. Basically, I do that. Also, I'm a part of our our college finance team. Okay, that's all about me. Nothing much more. Thank you, Vaishnavi, for this thing.
Thank you, Vaishnavi, sister. Very happy. Next, I call upon Subramaniya Nivash, who is our marketing lead. Go ahead, Subramaniya Nivash.
Good evening, everyone. I hope I am audible to everyone. I think so. Okay. First of all, I thank my seniors and my faculty advisor who selected me and appointed as a marketing lead in our club and in our team. With that, I handle the marketing lead role in our DSC club. That is marketing. You can ask what you do in our marketing lead. First of all, I said what I can do is I try my best to reach out our ideas, our projects, our innovations, our etc. 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 I like to spread all over our college to get knowledge about our club and take active part in our club. With that, I have some knowledge in Android Studio, so as I can develop develop apps. With that, yeah, my personal, I had to convey some important thing about me. I am a member of Google Students Club also. In that, I like to rather go with non-technical in our what are the non-technical things that need to be handled by our club. I will go with that. That means taking care of our attendances, etc. etc. That things can I handle. With that. I can do my best. I can do my best to make our club to run fluently. I don't like to eat your valuable time. So just thanks for your opportunity, Vaishnavi.
Thank you, Nivash. Thank you so much. Next, I call upon Vigneshwar, who is our event management lead. Go ahead. Vigneshwar, are you there?
Sorry. This is Vigneshwar. I'm event management lead as a core team member. So, and thanks Subramaniya Nivash and PRIYANKA had introduced them. So, who I am? So I'm from Triple department. Yeah, it's a real. I'm from Triple department. So I'm being here as a core team member among CSC students. So I have created. So basically, I'm an Android developer. So I have created more than 40 plus apps. So I have done 3 more projects for 3 different private limited companies as a single Android developer. So then, so you can also be like that, right? So department is not a matter. So our interest things. So please follow your dreams and achieve your goals. Thank you.
Thank you, Vigneshwar. We heard a lot from you. Next, I call upon Avinash, who is our technical lead. Go ahead, Avinash.
Yeah, hi everyone. Thank you for joining here. I'm Avinash from second year of CSC department. Then I'm excited to be part of this developer students club team, and I'm going to be a technical lead of this club. Basically, I'm a software developer. I have created a bunch of softwares, but since I'm not interested in GUI part, I didn't deploy it. But anyway, I'm planning to do that. Then the domains I'm interested in are machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning, also including NLP, image processing, etc. Then you may ask, this the second year, how come I can be interested in the domains of machine learning, AI, and deep learning? When during my first semester, I thought of being distracted from my interest, since first semester syllabus is not that I expected. So I went to library and took some books. So I read it. Then during this lockdown period, I created some of the projects in online using machine learning and deep learning. So I myself and Vaishnavi sister will be handling the machine learning and AI domains of our club. So thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Anas. Good to hear from you. Next, I call upon Syed AASIM, who is our UX or UI lead. Go ahead.
So, hi everyone. I'm Syed AASIM. I'm from second year CSC department, and as it's mentioned as UX UI, which is related to designing and making design for websites. When I applied for this club, I never thought that I would get selected, but lo and behold, I got selected. And being part of this is excited because obviously everyone starts to show off and stuff, but I don't think so we would be able to do that because we'd be busy with many meetings and stuff. And yeah, so I am interested in the field of data science. I have done two projects that, since I am a beginner in data science, I have done two projects which are how to differentiate the survival of male and female in Titanic crash, which is available in Kaggle competitions. And I have created a chatbot, that too in colloquial terms, a chatbot, so that we can reach rural peoples who are not that interested. I mean, who are not that familiar with the English. So yeah, and I'm looking forward for this.
Thank you, Syed AASIM. I know everyone know everything. So we are going to learn a lot of things from you all guys. Okay, myself and every students and every coaching members, we are going to learn a lot of things from each other. Okay, we are going to share our knowledge. That is ultimate aim of our club. Okay. Next. I'm very happy to introduce our faculty advisor, PRIYANKA ma'am, assistant professor senior grade in CSE department, who is our backbone for our developer student club. And she take initiative to set up our community and gave a lot of guidance throughout this program. And very happy that we have our faculty advisor, PRIYANKA ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for being with us. Next, we are going to our content, that what kind of technical steps we are going to handle during this session, that is during this 1 year program. Okay, let's list down that. First, AI or ML, which will be handled by Avinash and myself. Next, full stack web development, which will be handled by Vahini sister, and part that is HTML and CSS part will be handled by myself. Mobile app development, which will be handled by Vigneshwar and NIVASH. Data science, which will be handled by myself and Syed AASIM. Next, UX or UI design, which will be handled by Syed AASIM. Next, PPMS, Vigneshwar is going to handle this. Next, competitive programming. I hope you all working on to get a placement by coding some programs, and you're working and you show interest to that. So we have planned to conduct some data structure session and competitive programming sessions. We will give some problem statements and you are going to solve the questions by some logical and analytical thinking. Okay, I hope we can do a lot through this competitive programming session. Okay. Next, what technical heads will do? Okay, they will guide students in their domain of expertise. If you have any doubts, or if you want to need any clarity regarding that topic, you can approach our technical leads and they will definitely guide you. If they are not aware of it, they will learn and they will definitely guide you what kind of things you need. Okay, especially the technical leads have very strong technical experience with that. Okay, next, from the sessions, you will get a lot of valuable things and valuable knowledge. Okay, you are going to be benefited by these sessions. Okay, next, we are going to build projects and solutions. As I mentioned above, our ultimate aim is to build up projects and bring solutions for the local business issues and real-time problems. For example, our locality, Sivagasi, is famous for its crack works and printing matchsticks. Okay, they are having their company or their shops in, but they are not spreading their shops too wider. Okay, if we develop a web or a website or a app, it will be helpful for them to communicate a lot of people, and it will definitely increase their income, and they will be get benefited. It is just a single thing, and which will be make them more happy and very easy for them to conduct their day-to-day life. Okay, this is just an idea. Next, okay, let's do another work. Okay, again go to slide.com and enter the same code info29, info29, and type your department name. Let's see what's the result. Kindly do this activity. Let's see how many of them from various departments. CSE, good. Any of them from CSE, CSE, Jubilee. One more thing, this club is not restricted only to computer science department. Any department students can attend the session. If your friends are not aware of it, kindly inform them, and it will be helpful for them to attend the further sessions which will be handled by our club. So kindly inform this, because I can see many of them are from only CSE department. And one more thing, notice was not dispatched due to some reasons. Okay, that's our side problem. From next event onwards, we will make sure the dispatch notice soon, and make your friends to join. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your response. Let's go to the presentation. Okay, we are going to see what kind of sessions we are going to conduct throughout this year. Okay, first one is boot camps. Okay, we are going to conduct a small sessions for 1 hour or 1.5 hours. We are going to learn from basic, okay, from a beginner level. You are going to learn the things from beginner level, and you are going to apply it. Okay, that in which format? If you have knowledge as a beginner level, you can improve it to an intermediate level. Okay, we will guide you throughout this session. Okay, in boot camp session. Okay, next we will have hands-on workshops where you will implement the concepts taught for you in a practically mode. For that, you need a laptop or PC while attending this session. It is an important criteria for you. Okay, please make sure you have a laptop or PC while attending hands-on workshops. Next, we will have expert tech talks, either from our college or from other college or from any expert speakers. Okay, it will be a great session, since they will give some tips, tricks, and some things which will be definitely helpful for our future jobs or something in our projects, any kind of things. They will give a lot of suggestions for us. Okay, we are planning for it. Okay, we will have it soon. Next, solution challenge. We are going to solve. That is a like hackathon. Means they will give some problem statements, and you have to bring a solution for that kind of problem statements. For that, we will guide you how to solve that problem, or we will conduct some contest. Okay, like the fifth point, that we are going to conduct coding contest. Okay, hackathon is separate and coding contest is separate. Okay, for coding contest, you have to pay attention for 2 hours or 3 hours. It will be some duration, and you have to solve the problems which was given to you during the duration. Okay, kindly make sure available during these events, and be ready for it. Okay, for these kind of sessions, we will train you during these boot camps, hands-on workshops. We'll train you how to attend, how to face these coding contests and solution challenges. Okay. Next, what kind of benefits you will get out of this developer student club? First one is learn latest technologies. Okay, you will be updated. Okay, what kind of technologies are at present and what kind of things you need to learn to face a future further years. Okay. Next, participate in contests. Okay, actively participate in contests, which will help you to grow your technical skills. Okay, and definitely it will help you, I think. Next, make projects in teams or alone. Okay, if you wish, you can make a project with a team, or you can make yourself. And for mini projects and all, you can make use of it. Okay. Next, find like-minded people. Okay, for example, if you are an app developer, then you can meet a app developer in this community. Then it will be helpful for you to join together and make a project, and we can discuss about that. You can get guidance from each other. Okay, it will be definitely helpful for you. Okay, receive guidance. As I said above, both the technical leads, okay, myself will guide you throughout this program. You can ask any kind of doubts. Feel free to approach us either to our community or to our ma'am, faculty advisor, ma'am. Okay. Contribute to open source. We are going to build up something, or we are going to learn something new. Then we are going to store the materials somewhat in GitHub or something. We can make it as a repository. If we done a project, we can store it. Okay, after that, you can make use of it. Okay, you can download and you can use of this project. Okay, we will contribute, but it is a plan. We have not, we cannot conform to this point, and we are planning for it to make sure to available to contribute open source to all students. Okay. But how will you conduct everything online? Okay, but nowadays, due to this pandemic situation, everything is becoming online, even online classes. Okay, for that we have some applications which will helpful for us to conduct everything online. First one will be email. Okay, through email we will we'll dispatch notice. Okay, except this event, for events you will get a notice for it, and you have to register through the given link provided through the notice. And it will update. I will give some important updates from which link you have to go in, and which date and which time. It will give some reminders. Okay, email will definitely helpful for invites and updates. Next, Google Meet. Okay, for conducting sessions, we are choosing this platform for conducting. If the participants count is less than 90, then it will be definitely okay to conduct in Google Meet. If it exceeds 90, then we have to shift to YouTube stream. Okay, since Google Meet accommodation is 100, except the quoting members, it will be 90 for you. Okay, if it exceeds means, then we will go to YouTube. But it is a plan. If the participation count is gradually increases, we will move on to that. Okay. Next, Slido. Okay, I hope you all be familiar with that, because you have done 2 activities using the Slido.com. It is used for conducting quick polls during our sessions. Okay. Next, GitHub for storing the code. As I said, mentioned, we are planning for it, and I hope you will have a GitHub account for it. Okay, what are the do's and don'ts? We are going to you are going to follow through this community. Let's see one by one. First one, DSCs are powered by Google developers, but that does not mean that you are okay. It is provided by it's powered by Google developers, but you should not say that I am associated with Google. You should not mention in your resume or your social media link, like in LinkedIn. You should not mention that I am associated with Google. It is not a proper way to represent that. You can make it as I am a member of a developer student club. It would be nice for that. Okay, make sure this point. Next, for attending the sessions, you have to, first of all, you have to register for that event, okay, through the link provided by you through the notice. Then you can make sure available for that event during the time. Okay, I hope you have practiced through this orientation session. Always attend sessions on your laptop or PC. Okay, since it will be helpful for you to practice what kind of things we are teaching and you are learning, and you can make it as something source materials for it. Okay, definitely helpful for you. And do show up for sessions. Don't forget to show up for sessions and make available you at the time duration. Okay, it's all for your own goods and benefit. You can share your achievements, events, resources, and so on. Okay. One thing in DSC, we have provided with we have given a story area for representing our student stories who have achieved something big, or who have done a very beneficial thing to our community, or something which is to be appreciated. These kind of things can be mentioned in our story. Okay, if you have done these kind of things, kindly and please approach us. Okay, this is a very important thing, since we have done a lot of things, but you are not showing up and you are not approaching us. If you approach this, we may give you opportunity to put your achievements in the story, and you can be a speaker for our event. Even if you have a well trained skill for that particular domain or a particular technical stuff, you can approach us, and we will make you we will make you as a speaker for that event. Okay. You can share your feedback, and also you can suggest interested topics you need to learn. Okay, if you want some topics are needed, I want this, for example, cyber security, we are not included. If anyone is interested in it, and if you have that knowledge, you can approach us. Okay, we will make you as a speaker, or we will conduct some sessions based on our learning. Okay. Okay, last we have another activity. Kindly go to study.com and enter the same code info29 info29. Enter the programming language you can write once or more than one. It's your choice, and mention that you know how many of them are familiar with some particular languages. Go ahead. Go to slider.com and enter the code INF429. C++, superb, Python, C++, I can see more C++ here. Wow, Java, Python, or good, HTML, nice. Come on guys, everyone do it. C++, Java, going on, Python learning, super. Go on learning, keep on learning. Guys, I think many of them are not doing this activity. Please do it. JavaScript, Express.js, super. Okay. Thank you for responding. Let's move to the presentation. We have an announcement. Okay, kindly hear it. Okay, we have a 30 days of Google Cloud program. Okay, it is our first ever program for our students. Okay, for this, Kadin Nandini, who is a facilitator for this program. Kadin Nandini, are you there? Kadin Nandini. Actually, Kadin Nandini, are you there? Can you hear me? Yes, Kadin Nandini, you proceed. You can explain about the program in detail for the participants.
Hello guys, I am Kadri Nandini of 3rd year CSEB. I am going to be a facilitator of Google Cloud program. I am interested in actually AI, ML, web designing, cloud, etc. I also completed a project in ML. I am also a OB in Max Club. Okay, actually Google Club program is a wonderful opportunity for our college students. It is actually, we can gain a highly qualified Google certificate and a digital skill batches on 30 days Google Cloud program along with Google. Okay, it also provides us the access to free Google Cloud training and an exciting prizes along the way. As a facilitator of Google Cloud program, I would actually recommend all our engineering students to take this as a golden opportunity to kickstart their learning on cloud technology using practice on Google Cloud. Vaishnavi, can I share my screen?
Yes, you can. I'll stop my screen. You can share.
Is this visible?
Not yet. Can you share again?
Now?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, guys. On registering Google Cloud, you will get a certificate from Google, and you will also get a skill batches, as I told before. In our Google Cloud program, you will be having 2 tracks. One track is Google Cloud Engineering, and second track is Data Science and Machine Learning. Out of these 2 tracks, you can select any one or both and keep going on in any track. If you complete one track, you will get a Google certification. Or if you complete both tracks also, you will get 2 Google certificates and also some other exciting prizes like hoodies, t-shirts, etc. In track 1, we will be having these much modules, 6 modules. These are the modules: getting started, create and manage cloud resources, perform foundational infrastructure tasks in Google Cloud, set up and configure a Google environment in Google Cloud, deploy and manage cloud environments with Google Cloud, build and secure networks in Google Cloud, deploy to Kubernetes in Google Cloud. And in track 2, that is data science and machine learning, we will be having these 6 tracks. If you complete each track, that is each quiz, for example, in machine learning, if you complete get started, create, manage and cloud resources, you will be getting a skill batch like this. If you complete each track, you will be getting 6 skill batches. You can be shared with your friends and so and so. Okay, when you sign in, your quick labs page will be like this. Now to complete any one quiz, you can go to search option and type that quiz. Okay, this is our first quiz. Okay, in this you will be having these many quiz. I have already completed this quiz and this is the skill batch for this quiz. And you need to complete these many labs. If you complete these all labs, you will get a skill batch, but at last challenge lab will be there, in which you have to do based on all the already done labs. It will be based on the already done labs. In middle, if you got stuck or if you want any solution, then you can click on chat option. Here you should give your name, email ID, and on department you should give us 30 days of Google Cloud. You should mention it clearly, otherwise you will not get support from the Google. So mention it clearly and that's it. Okay guys, if you want to register, here is our enrollment link. And to know further details of it, you can use it. And here is the enrollment link. You can take a screenshot or do anything else. And last day to enroll is today 7 p.m. So enroll as soon as possible. The course begins from 1st October and ends on 31st October. So try to register as soon as early as possible. It is also open to all departments, and kindly share it to all your friends and make them to join. It will be really an enjoyable and interactive session. I hope everyone will be joining in it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, thanks so much. If you have any doubts regarding the 30 days Google program, you can ask now. You can ask either in chat or you can unmute your audio and ask.
Vaishnavi, stop presenting the. It's echo.
Avinandini, can you stop this?
Yeah.
No.
Thank you so much.
You can ask your doubts now.
Guys, the enrollment link is in chat box. You can check it out.
Kindly enroll within today before 7 p.m. Make sure of it. Other than that, if you have any questions, you can ask now.
Danush Sundaresan, yeah, what was your doubt? You can ask here, either you can unmute your mic or else you your doubts in the chat box itself.
Queries in chat box.
So Danush, are you here? What's your doubt?
Apart from Danush, anyone having doubt can post it. Feel free to ask. I hope you will enjoy the session, and I hope anyone's speaking now. If he has a doubt regarding the Google Cloud program, Danush, are you having doubt regarding the 30 days cloud program?
Vaishnavi,
Sister?
no. Avinash has sent the link.
Yes.
Kavya, have you get the link that Avinash shared? Avinash has meeting daily.
Okay,
no, it's not like that. It's just an event, Satish. It's a DSC event. As just combined with the GSC, we just okay. You just carry on.
Danush, Sundaresan, if you have any doubts regarding our Google Cloud program or anything else, you can mail for our DSC club mail. Okay, you can mention your queries at that, and we will resolve and respond to you as soon as possible. Okay, are you clear with that? You can mail your queries to our club mail, DSC Google Student Club mail. Okay.
And Satish, it's not a meeting. It won't be conducting daily. It's about the event. Whenever we are conducting events, we will get through you through notice, either notice or through your friends. Just get connected. Okay.
Guys, if you have any queries regarding the Google Cloud program, you can contact me through mail. I will type my mail ID in chat box. You can note it down.
So, guys, any other questions?
Okay, guys, thank you for your participation. We will soon meet you by conducting another session.
Thank you for participating, guys.
Keep on participating and share it with your friends too.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Bye, guys. Have a great day.